Welcome back. And on day 14 of the farmers' agitation, the farmers have now received the government's proposal of amendments, which now list out a number of changes the centre will now make. Reading out from these amendments that the farmers have now received, the government has stated that it will be giving written assurance on the MSP and there will be no change in the current arrangement in the electricity dues. The farmers may now also approach the district courts in case of any dispute, and the government, in fact, in a way, has rejected the farmers' proposal of repealing the law as well. We'll now go across to my colleague Anuj, who's joining us live with more on this. Anuj, the farmers have now received the proposal and the amendments that the centre has now made to these laws. If you can also read out from that, and what are the biggest takeaways from it?
Well, exactly. We do understand since from the day one that the government is making their stand clear. Its stand is very much clear that yes, they are ready to talk. Yes, they are ready to talk. That's something what we saw yesterday also. This was none other but the Home Minister of the country, that's Amit Shah, who had meeting with the farmer leaders. Now the proposal has been already sent, and there the assurances have been given. Let me tell you, if you'll go through the points and if you'll go through the things which has been discussed and has been written in the proposal, these are all the points which was the concern of the farmer, and all these concerns has been taken by the government of India. But the farmers at this point in time is still stuck on the same line that they want it to be taken back, whereas the concern has been taken care of by the government of India. Let me go through the tweet also which has been made in by Narendra Singh Tomar, so it will it itself explain that what all are the things that has been included in this particular proposal. So Narendra Singh Tomar, and I'll quote, that says that MSP ko khatam nahi kiya jayega. That was one of the concern of the farmers. So in this very tweet of Narendra Singh Tomar, he has made it very much clear that there will be no changes in the MSP. So MSP को खत्म नहीं किया जाएगा, APMC मंडियों को बंद नहीं किया जाएगा. So that was the second concern of the farmer, which has been made clear in this very tweet. किसान की जमीन किसी भी कारण से कोई भी छीन नहीं सकता. So all these factors has been taken in the mind and has been given in the proposal to the farmers. At this point in time, when we are talking, the meeting is still underway. Rather, what we have been told, there is an expectation of meeting tomorrow, but for that, this would be very early to say that what exactly is going to be the outcome of this particular meeting, which is on at this point in time at the Singhu border. But the proposal has been given. Let me remind you again that since from the day one, we have seen government of India was very much ready to talk with the farmers, and they have given numbers of opportunity to farmers also to come into national capital. A specific location was given to the farmers to do their agitation also. After that, there were talks at Vigyan Bhavan also. Yesterday, it was the call which was taken by the Home Minister Amit Shah. There also we saw the delegation of the 13 members of the farmers leaders who met with Amit Shah. Finally, the proposal has been given, but this is to wait and watch what exactly will be the outcome of that particular meeting, which is on at Singhu border at this point in time. Yes.
Anuj, so far all the talks that have happened between the centre and the farmers have been inconclusive, including the talk that yesterday happened. And now that these proposals have been sent to the farmers, in a way, the ball is in the court of the farmers, because they will now have to decide if they agree to it or not, because this is what the Agriculture Minister has also rectified in his tweet, stating that agriculture laws do not affect the MSP, it will not affect the APMC mandis, and in a way they have addressed all the issues that have been discussed in all the meetings so far.
Oh, well, exactly. That's something what we understand, that since the government has like kept in mind every concern of the farmer. That's something what we do understand has been given in the proposal also, because the last night meeting, the meeting which was held with Amit Shah of the farmers delegation, it was all the concern which was raised in front of Amit Shah also. So there, after the conclusion, the government of India has taken all the point and written in the proposal and given them the written assurance now that there will be no harm to the farmer. MSP will be taken care of, APMC will be taken care of, lights will be taken care of. So all these factors have been put in that very proposal which has been given to the farmers. As you pointed it out very rightly, that this is now the high time for the farmer, because the ball is in the court of the farmer. They have to decide whether they can, they are really willing to go with the government of India, or they want to continue with their agitation. Yes.
All right, thank you so much, Anuj, for getting us the latest, and we'll wait and see what really comes out of the farmer leaders meeting that is currently underway at the Singhu border, even as they have now officially received all the amendment proposals by the centre.